Hi, my name is Estefania Velasquez, and I'm going to talk about making my normal routine on a Saturday. I get up at 9 o'clock in the morning. At 9:30, I have my breakfast. I like the eggs and sausages and also cheese. At 10:30, I take a shower and then I start studying or watching TV. I have lunch at 12:30 and I take a nap until 3 in the afternoon. I continue studying or doing whatever I have to do, and at the night I go out with my friends to eat or the movies or to do some time fun. Uh, Thanks. Bye bye.